Welcome back to our channel, Fast Cabling. Today in this video, we are elevating your network speed to the next level with a guide on upgrading to 2.5G using fiber optic cable. So imagine the possibilities of faster data transfers and enhanced connectivity. So get ready to future-proof your network. So as the demand for faster and more efficient network speed continues to rise, the need for a 2.5G upgrade becomes increasingly crucial. So upgrading to a 2.5G network offers substantial benefits in meeting the growing requirements of modern applications and devices. So this upgrade proves particularly advantageous in scenarios where traditional gigabit Ethernet falls short, such as supporting high-performance wireless access point, high-resolution video streaming, and other bandwidth-intensive tasks. And this 2.5G network ensures a seamless and responsive user experience, making it an ideal solution for an environment where the demand for faster data transmission is outpacing the capabilities of existing network infrastructure. The 2.5G network devices mark a significant advancement in data transfer rate, addressing the need for higher speed connectivity in modern networks. And these devices, such as switches and network interface cards, operate at a speed of 2.5 gigabit per second, effectively doubling the data transfer capacity compared to traditional gigabit Ethernet. And their role is pivotal in enhancing network performance, supporting bandwidth-intensive application, and accommodating the increasing demand for faster connectivity. Importantly, 2.5G network devices are designed with backward compatibility, ensuring seamless integration with existing network infrastructure. And this compatibility enables organizations to upgrade their network and leveraging the benefits of higher speed without the need for a complete overhaul of their current setup. And selecting the right fiber optic cable is crucial for a successful 2.5G network upgrade. When choosing a fiber optic cable, you should consider several factors to ensure optimal performance. First, the cable type plays a significant role with single-mode and multi-mode options available. Single-mode fiber is suitable for longer distances, while multi-mode fiber is ideal for shorter connection. And the type of connector used can affect the signal loss and compatibility. Common connector types include LC and SC. Additionally, you should take into account the specific application requirements, such as the distance between devices and any environmental factors that might impact the cable performance. And by carefully evaluating these factors, now you can select the most suitable fiber optic cable for your 2.5G network upgrade and ensuring efficient and reliable data transmission. So upgrading network equipment to 2.5G speed should carefully consider the compatibility of the switches, routers, and network interface card with the desired 2.5G network upgrade. Ensuring that these components support the 2.5G standard to unlock the full potential of higher data transfer rate. And it is advisable to check product specification, including data transfer capabilities, supported protocol, and available ports. And some devices might require firmware updates to enable 2.5G functionality. So now I'm going to introduce you to our 8-port 2.5G PoE++ switch. Now with the 10G uplink, it can provide a cost-effective solution to increase your network's throughput and provide up to 90 watts of power for 2.5G devices. And it is compatible with IEEE 802.3 AF, AT, and BT standard, and a total power supply of 240 watts. It has 8 2.5 gigabit per second RJ45 port and provide up to 60 gigabits of switching capacity. Also include a 10G SFP Plus uplink for connecting to another gigabit switch, large file transfer, and potential network expansion in small to medium-sized businesses. So let's do the connection together. We have the router here, and we're going to use a short patch cord to connect the router to our switch. Those are the 2.5G Ethernet port. Make sure your router can provide more than 2.5G in order to support 2.5G network. And here's the 10G SFP port. I'm using another Ethernet cable to plug into the PoE port and coming all the way to our wireless access point. This access point can be powered by PoE technology, so now it's receiving both power and data already. And make sure your equipment can support 2.5G or higher. And when upgrading to a 2.5G network, several tips can enhance the success of the transition. Firstly, carefully choose between multi-mode and single-mode fiber optic cable, and it based on your network's distance and requirement. Secondly, consider the future scalability of your network. Investing in 2.5G technology can ensure a performance boost and position your network for future demand. And lastly, when utilizing PoE, be attentive to power requirement for both network devices and the fiber optic cable to ensure seamless operation. And these tips collectively contribute to a well-planned and future-proof 2.5G network upgrade. And congratulations, you've just elevated your network to 2.5 gigabit speed with fiber optic cable. And thank you very much for joining us. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorial. And enjoy the enhanced performance of your upgraded network.